the Klipsch T5 True Wireless Earbuds. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Klipsch T5 earbuds, and these are the first earbuds that Klipsch has released. I'll go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, you get the user guide, USB-C charging cable, and small, medium, large ear tips. The T5 features 8 hours of listening time, 24 hours with the case. It has quick charge, so 15 minutes of charge will give you 2 hours. Uses Bluetooth 5.0, aptX, AAC, and SBC codec, and it has CVC for noise reduction. Button controls, USB-C for charging, and it's IPX4 sweat and water resistant. You will immediately notice that the case has a solid and heavy feel. It's a brushed stainless steel all around with a Zippo lighter inspired design. On the front you have the Klipsch branding along with the status LED indicator. And on the back you have the USB-C charge port. The lid just flips up and it opens and closes smoothly. The earbuds are secured firmly inside the case, and it's easy to grip and remove them. The earbuds have a matte finish and it's easy to grip, and it's a bit long. The button controls on the outside have a copper color accent with the Klipsch branding. Each of the earbuds have a microphone, LED, button control, charging contacts, and interchangeable ear tips. And here are the earbuds side by side. Controlling playback in calls is just a matter of a few short or long presses to get the desired function. The case comes in at 1.9 by 1.1 by 1.8 inches. And the earbuds are about 1.1 inches long. The case weighs in at 92 grams, and the earbuds come in at roughly 11 grams. And now for some music samples followed by a microphone sample.
I fall into the motions, holding an ocean inside me. I wanna go just where the river, mountain, and sky meet.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Klipsch T5 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The earbuds can be used individually, left or right side. Pairing was quick and easy, and I had no issues. When testing video on an iOS device, I didn't experience any noticeable latency, and this can vary depending on your device and apps used. Range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Klipsch T5 earbuds, and I always start off by saying sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. Starting off with comfort, I found them to be a bit awkward and uncomfortable. The earbuds just feel like it pushes into your ear canals too much, and it doesn't have enough support on the base, so it moves around a lot. Having said that, the button controls makes it even more uncomfortable as you navigate, since it just pushes it further into your ear canals. And I don't feel like it would stay into place during runs or workouts. With build and quality, I feel that the case has a unique design and it's very solid. It may be a bit heavy for some to carry around in your pocket, but it definitely feels durable and sturdy. The earbuds feel solid as well, and it provides a nice grip, but it lacks on the ergonomic design. It would also have been nice to see some type of app integration so users can have personalized EQ settings. When it comes to sound, the overall bass, mids, and highs are very good. The bass is not as heavy and deep, but it's definitely present. Mids and highs have good separation, and you can clearly hear vocals and instruments, and it's well defined. And as you heard from the music samples, you can see what really stands out. So overall, I think the Klipsch T5 may not be for everyone. I think the earbud comfort and fit will be an issue for many, and the case may be a bit too bulky and heavy. I definitely feel that there are better alternatives out there for far less. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.